Amaliba. He's joined us on the line. Counsel, you're welcome to Eyewitness News.
Thank you for having me, Omaro.
I wonder how you're going to deal with this conflict of you taking 3 or 4, actually 5 applications to court and all of them being dismissed, except the fact that the tape was listened to by the judge. It doesn't sound like victory on your side, at least temporarily.
I think that the Attorney General came out of court today bruised. And that is the reason why you heard him sounding angrily when he was being interviewed. If a judge advises an Attorney General to recuse himself from a case, in my view, and the view of any lay person, what it means is that a case has been made against the Attorney General. Just that the judge decided to give him a slap on the wrist. If the conduct of the Attorney General had nothing to do with the case, the judge who dismissed the application will not find it necessary to be advising the Attorney General to recuse himself from the case because public perception about what he did is not good for him. And for that matter, the entire judiciary. And the entire judiciary works on public confidence. So if a judge fails to see that, that can be a basis to ask the Attorney General to order him to recuse himself, but not just merely advising him, then clearly we are in for trouble.
But if the judge wanted to make a direct order, she could have done so. She says she listened to the tape 10 times. She hasn't necessarily found anything wrong in there. In fact, your claims as a party have been that the Attorney General has been coaching the accused person. The judge said she did not find that. A few things that she found was that, again, because of the public interest that this tape has generated, in the interest of that, you may kindly want to withdraw personally from engaging in the prosecution. She could have given an order saying that I have listened to the tape, this is my verdict on it, or this is my order. She didn't. Why should an advice can be taken or ignored?
You heard the judge say she didn't hear the Attorney General telling Japa to implicate Atuforsen. So that the judge was fixated with the word implicate. But must you use the word implicate before you can know that what the Attorney General was saying is asking Japa to implicate Atuforsen? When in the tape it was heard that the Mr. Japa asked the Attorney General, you want me to say it in your way? And the Attorney General said, yes. Give testimony in my way, and then you don't have any difficulty. Is that not trying to implicate somebody? So, because the judge was just fixated with the word implicate, she didn't see that discussion all about saying things in the Attorney General's way also meant to implicate. So I'm saying that the judge found that in the public interest, the Attorney General was advised to recuse himself. And I'm saying that it meant that a case has been made against the Attorney General. Else, why would the judge be bothered about the public interest nature of the case and the image of the judiciary?
So for you, the advice is almost like a directive, except that the word directive or order has not been used. What options are left for you now that it's been thrown out? This your hope that the AG would be removed from the case. What next for the NDC side?
I'm aware the lawyers intend to appeal, but let's also note that this is the first time an Attorney General has been so reprimanded in court. And that is going to be a dent on the Attorney General as we speak.
Let's leave it here. Thank you so much for speaking to us. Abraham Amaliba is member of the legal team of NDC and also director in charge of conflict resolution.